This is your reading for today, and your cards are Strength and Five of Swords. See, love is a very spiritual, soul level, unconditional feeling, but it is also useful to understand the chemical reactions that happens. That first rush of feeling, the honeymoon phase in love, that is the dopamine, the high that we want. So oxytocin is the one that creates the bonding, the trust, as the commitment as the relationship goes on. Serotonin is there in the initial rush of the infatuation, and as the relationship matures, serotonin stabilizes, and you start feeling more settled in the relationship and not seeking the high all the time. Okay, you have moved out of a disappointment. You have taken the lesson from the challenge. Now that lesson, you're holding the lesson, but that lesson is becoming very heavy, and you are thinking that I can't do it, this is way too heavy, and you're thinking and thinking and thinking, and you're constantly looking at that lesson. I have to implement it, I have to learn, I have to move ahead, I have to leave behind this behavior. So the lesson is becoming very heavy. ले तो लिया, पर अब वो लेसन बहुत भारी हो गया है. Do you have the strength? Yes, you have the strength. Can you create the happiness again? You can create the satisfaction and a new structure for yourself again. Yes, you can do it. How do you have to do it? You have to understand over here that whatever the situation was, what was my role and responsibility in that? And there are two things to consider. When I saw the red flags, should I have responded earlier? I should have responded earlier. Number two, in my seeking the dopamine high, I had been doing too many things. Oh, let me do this, let me fix that, let me make this perfect, let me make that perfect. So when every day, when I build my day like this, that let me get everything right, let me get everything perfect, that is seeking the dopamine high every day, and not letting either the oxytocin stabilize it and the serotonin come down to the normal feeling. Now you have to also accept your role over there, that perhaps this is what I did. All these roles and roles and roles and seeking that high and doing everything, I forgot who my vulnerable self was. Do this, you will find a way ahead. Acknowledge.